Hi, my name's Allison, and for my experiment this week over taste perception, I'm going to be doing an experiment over how color affects our taste. And I decided to do this because, as most people know, when you see like certain candy flavors or certain like drink flavors, they tend to be colored. Like cherries red, watermelon's pink, blueberry might be blue, or blue raspberry might be blue, things like that. So that's why I chose to do color, because we tend to assimilate or like think that a certain color means a certain flavor. So for my experiment, I have 2 glasses of flavored water. They're both flavored watermelon, but I decided to put pink food dye in one. So before I even start, I'm going to ask my subject what they think the water, like what they think each drink's flavor is. Hopefully they will say that the clear one is just water and that the pink one might have some sort of flavoring to it. They'll then take a drink from both glasses, and for my hypothesis, if it's correct, they will tend to think that the pink glass has a stronger watermelon flavor than the clear glass. And after that, I'll just ask them their opinions and everything. So, yeah. Hi.
Okay.
So, before we even start the experiment, I just want you to let me know, like, your original, like, what you think the flavors of these glasses would be and, like, the drinks based on, like, just what they look like. Like, what are your initial thoughts when you're looking at it of what the flavor is going to be?
I think maybe this one is just plain water, and then that's either like a pink lemonade or like a watermelon Gatorade type flavor situation.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you take a sip out of each one, and after each sip, just like let me know like the flavor that hits you right away, like what you taste initially.
Okay. That just tastes like sugar water or something, just really sweet water, like kind of bland. All right. And then, okay, that one definitely had more of like a fruity, watermelon-y kind of flavor going on.
Okay, so actually they're both the same water. That one is just dyed a pink color. So why do you think that you like assumed and like tasted watermelon more in the colored one than the clear one?
I think it was probably had something to do with the coloring, because whenever I see that pink color in a drink, I'm just gonna assume it's like watermelon or something.
Okay, thank you. So as you saw, my hypothesis was true. The subject did actually perceive the waters to be different flavors. And so that was great. Like, it really proved my hypothesis. I think this can be really useful to the world, like just any person's life, especially when it comes to marketing. Like if a company is planning on marketing a drink as a certain flavor, it may be helpful just to add that extra little color, because sometimes like a label might not be enough. Like someone might not want to look at the label, but when there's such like a stunning color like in a clear bottle, it's more helpful to a person. They're like, oh, my favorite flavors are like in strawberry, raspberry, cherry. Let me see your red drink and I'll grab that. So I think that's a really good way that this experiment can be put into real life. And I also think it was really interesting. I also have a note to add. This looks orange, but it's pink in person. Just wanted to, because it looks very orange in the video. But yeah, thank you.